Hello again, I'm Brad Grimes. Here with me is John McCarthy, the principal owner of Flowdynamics. Hi, John. How are you?
I'm good, Brad. How are you? Thanks
Thank,
for having me.
yeah, thank you for being with us today to discuss Flowdynamics and how Shelco bag housing and cartridge filters are being utilized. Can you tell us a little bit about Flowdynamics?
Sure. I started Flowdynamics 2004. Our main focus is with the food and beverage industry.
Mm-hmm.
We will build different process systems, typically here in our shop or on site, for large scale food or beverage manufacturers.
Perfect. What problems does your company solve?
Well, some of the problems that we would be dealing with would be sanitary issues. Everything we do is food grade. So we will have issues with that we have to solve, which filtration is a big part of that. Cleanability, DO for water right now is a pretty prevalent issue with a lot of the processing that's going on. So it is somewhat problem solving, but a lot of times we are delivering what a customer is asking for as well.
Gotcha. So Flowdynamics has been working with ISC for about 8 years now. What do you look for in a good distributor when purchasing technical products?
That's an easy one. we like we like to work with a distributor that, I mean, first of all, has product knowledge. That's first and foremost for us. We like to align ourselves with a quality product, which is kind of how we got set up with you guys. You're knowledgeable. Shelco is a well-recognized product. We like to stay consistent with what we build, and in turn, the customer likes to have that consistency, so they're not trying to find filters for this or this brand or that brand. So it helps us to be consistent with what we do, as well as a good price and availability. Those are the three main things that we like to align ourselves with a company that has those.
Perfect. What challenges made you seek out the Shelco bag and cartridge filter housing as a solution?
Shelco is a pretty well recognized name out here in California. There's a few different filters, and there's also a lot of knockoff brands. So again, we try to stay with a quality product, and Shelco provides that. The price point is usually where we need it.
Perfect. So, mentioning that, how do you feel like it's distinctive from the competition, the Shelco brand itself? Because there is a lot of, other, I don't know if they call them knockoffs, or there's a lot of other manufacturers out there producing that product, especially the
right. There is, and I think some of the filters, the cartridges are interchangeable. The quality's not there on a lot of these knockoff brands. And again, that gets back to, what we like to do is offer something that is, of good quality to our customers. Shelco, again, is a recognized name. Customers feel good rather than seeing something that's from China. And the ability to get filters, or a wide variety of filters, cartridges or bags, be it whatever it is. Shelco's, a good name, well-known name. They know what they're looking for.
Yeah.
Easy to find.
So how do you, in addition to that, how do you view the market demand for this type of product?
In our industry, it's huge, because everything we do in food and beverage starts with water. Water's got to be filtered. Product that they're batching up has to be filtered. There's pre-filter, there's post-filter. I can't tell you how many times we install filters. It's just the norm in our business. So
yeah, definitely. Well, as far as Flowdynamics, is there any future further product developments in the pipeline?
Yeah, I mean, we kind of trend with our customers. We got a pretty strong clientele base with some of the bigger manufacturers. One of the things that's happening now is a lot of these companies are going to aluminum cans, trying to get away from the carbon footprint. So that has us going pretty strong in that direction. Cannabis is kicking in. That's soon to be regulated by the FDA. Once that happens, we will be they'll have companies like us that will be in their building systems that are cleanable, that are sanitary. So trending wise, we just keep following what's going on out there. It's food and beverage. It's not going to go anywhere. It's a staple.
Absolutely, absolutely, I agree. So what does the future hold for Flowdynamics? Where do you see you guys playing in the next 5 years?
Well, the next 5 years, hopefully I'm not here.
You and me both.
That's my retirement plan. But now I've had some long-term employees, some family that has grown, been with me there's some that's been with me for 16 years.
Wow.
And they are surpassing where I'm at. So they're taking this thing to hopefully the next level. We're about 30 people strong right now. And I'm excited to see what they're going to do with it.
Perfect, perfect. Well, John, thank you for joining us and taking the time to discuss Flowdynamics and how the Shellco bag and cartridge filter houses apply in your application. I appreciate it. It's been a pleasure. This is John McCarthy with, he's the principal owner of Flowdynamics, and Brad Grimes with ISC. We'll talk again soon. Thanks, John.
All right. Thank you, Brett.